Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix WLANSVC is not running Windows 11. To start, we will open services from the search box. There you will double-click on the service WLAN AutoConfig. First, in Startup type, leave the option Automatic. Now click on Start, then press Stop, and after this again click on Start. Finally, apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.